Bardeen AI not running your automation, yeah, that's super frustrating, especially when your workflow just stops. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix it fast. All right, first, check your automation trigger. I mean, if the trigger isn't set correctly, the playbook won't run at all. Next, try running the automation manually. Yeah, this helps you figure out if the issue is with the trigger or the workflow itself. Now, make sure Bardeen has all the required permissions. I mean, missing access can stop automations completely. Okay, reconnect your integrations like Google Sheets or Notion. Broken connections can block actions from running. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. Yeah, Bardeen relies on it to execute tasks. Also, update the Bardeen extension. I mean, older versions can cause bugs or performance issues. If you have other extensions enabled, try disabling them. Some can interfere with automation scripts. Now, check the logs or error messages. Yeah, they often show exactly what went wrong and where. Finally, restart your browser. I mean, this refreshes everything and clears temporary problems. So yeah, that's how you fix Bardeen AI not running automations. One of these steps should get your workflow running again. If this helped, drop a like, and I'll see you in the next one.